Earlier this week, GM Authority reported that GM will move forward with a replacement for the Chevy Camaro, with insider sources telling us that the upcoming model will ride on GM's Alpha 2-2 platform, which is an updated version of the Alpha 2 architecture that currently underpins the Cadillac CT4 and CT5. All of this means that the Camaro successor will be powered by an internal combustion engine. It will not be an EV. And it will have a front-engine, rear-wheel drive layout. All of this is no doubt promising, but you may also recall that our exclusive report stated that the Camaro replacement in question might not be exactly what you would expect. And I think it's time we expanded on that.
MOTROLIX.
While the foundation consisting of a front-engine, rear-drive layout would seem to align with the Camaro's heritage, we are hearing that the upcoming Camaro replacement will take a very different form than enthusiasts might expect. What we're hearing is that this form will be comprised of 4 doors and a footprint of mid-size proportions, similar to that of the discontinued Chevy Malibu and the Chevy SS Performance sedan before it, thereby making the Camaro replacement a D-segment vehicle. Just don't call it a sedan. Sources tell us that the overall shape will not necessarily follow a traditional 3-box sedan profile. Going with 4 doors as opposed to 2 would certainly make sense given the challenging state of the 2-door mainstream sports car segment, which contracted by 19% in 2025, and it's not on track to get much better in 2026. As for what it will be called, sources tell us that GM is somewhat hesitant to slap a Camaro badge on this car, and indeed on any vehicle with more than 2 doors. This line of thinking is very much understandable given that such a move would likely leave a bad taste in the mouths of enthusiasts and diehard fans who are unwilling to divorce the Camaro's long-standing identity from the 2-door body style. From what we understand, the final name is still under consideration as we record this, and there is ample time remaining before this vehicle goes into production. So GM still has a fair degree of flexibility to make a decision on the name. Regardless of whether or not it is called Chevy Camaro, a 4-door rear drive vehicle could address multiple deficiencies in Chevy's current lineup. First and foremost, such a vehicle would effectively replace both the Malibu and the Impala, offering a sedan alternative for those buyers who are uninterested in a crossover or SUV. After all, sedans have become a proverbial luxury for most mainstream automakers to have in their lineups, and that spot was previously assigned to coupes and even more so to convertibles. At the same time, the Alpha platform, having underpinned such incredible driver's cars as the Cadillac ATS-V and CTS-V, and then the CT4V Blackwing and CT5V Blackwing after them. This architecture is more than capable of supporting performance variants, such as SS and ZL1, giving Chevrolet a new entry in the sport sedan space. To that end, I would be shocked if the final product didn't deliver a dynamic driving experience in this Camaro replacement vehicle. And that's a characteristic that I think every vehicle based on the Alpha platform so far has enjoyed. So within that context, a well-styled, sporty car with 4 doors would be the literal definition of killing 2 birds with 1 stone for Chevrolet, or maybe it's even 3 birds with 1 stone at this point. Perhaps most enticingly, though, is that a 2-door body variant has yet to be entirely ruled out by GM brass, although from what we understand, current efforts are focused primarily on the 4-door model. If GM were to greenlight a coupe, then it would likely also need to derive a convertible variant in order to support rental car companies or demand by rental car companies, which have traditionally represented a not insignificant chunk of the Camaro convertible sales volume. But we posit that a Camaro coupe would depend heavily on another Alpha 2-2 model that GM is working on, and that's the next generation Cadillac CT5. If the next gen CT5 does get a 2-door coupe and convertible variant, then it might make a 2-door Camaro worth the investment, or perhaps less of an investment. As of this moment, however, we have not heard a single peep that would suggest that Cadillac is planning such variants for the next-gen CT5, thereby making a two-door body variant for the Chevrolet model less likely. We'll have more as we get it, so be sure to keep it locked right here to GM Authority. For more, I'm Alex Luft, and I'll see you in the next one.
MOTROLIX.